My dear friends, I welcome you to my Cradle to Cremation YouTube channel. In the silent darkness of the night sky, where light is absent and silence prevails, a group of mammals silently dominates the air, bats. These incredible creatures, the only true flying mammals, are not only fascinating because of their nocturnal habits but also due to the advanced strategies they use to hunt. Among them, echolocation is a biological marvel that allows bats to find their prey in complete darkness. But as science delves deeper, it's clear that their navigation and hunting are not just biological feats, they are mathematical. From chaos theory to nonlinear dynamics, bats unknowingly perform calculations nature has perfected over millions of years. In India, which is home to over 130 bat species, these creatures are critical for pollination, insect control, and ecological balance. Yet, they remain misunderstood and under threat. This script takes you into the hidden world of bats, their echolocation skills, the mathematical principles behind their hunting, their diversity in India, and the urgent need for their conservation. From the deep caves of Meghalaya to the urban skies of Chennai, Indian bats showcase a blend of evolution, intelligence, and survival that is nothing short of extraordinary. Echolocation. Nature's sonar system. Bats emit high-frequency sound waves that bounce off objects in their environment. When these echoes return, bats test the sound to determine the size, shape, distance, and even movement of objects. This biological sonar allows them to fly and hunt in pitch darkness without visual cues. Each species has unique echolocation calls tuned to its habitat and prey. The adaptability and complexity of this natural navigation system remain one of biology's greatest marvels. Indian bat diversity. India boasts incredible bat diversity, with more than 130 species found across different habitats. From the large Indian flying fox to tiny pipistrelles, bats in India range in size, shape, and behavior. They occupy roles from pollinators to insect controllers. Leaf-nosed bats use their facial structures for advanced echolocation, while mouse-tailed bats have unique tails adapted to desert environments. Each species plays a specific ecological role, making their conservation crucial for maintaining biodiversity. Habitat and distribution. Bats are incredibly adaptable and live in diverse habitats across India, from the Himalayan caves to tropical forests, mangroves, deserts, and even crowded cities. Caves offer stable temperatures and humidity, ideal for large colonies. Urban areas provide food from insects around streetlights. In mangroves and forests, bats play vital ecological roles. Some species even roost in old temples or abandoned buildings. This wide distribution shows their ability to survive under varied conditions. However, habitat disturbance poses a serious threat to their survival. Chaos theory and hunting. bats do not fly randomly when searching for food. They use mathematical strategies inspired by chaos theory, especially a method called Lévy flight. This strategy mixes short movements with occasional long flights, helping bats explore large areas efficiently. When prey is scarce or randomly distributed, this type of movement increases the chances of finding food. Studies have shown that bats naturally adopt this pattern in unpredictable environments. The fact that bats evolved to follow such mathematically optimal behavior without conscious effort shows how nature can mirror complex scientific principles. Neural precision, phase locking. Bat brains process sound with extreme precision. They use a method called phase locking, where their neurons sync with the timing of sound waves. This helps bats detect even nanosecond differences between echo returns, allowing them to distinguish prey from obstacles. This high-speed, accurate information processing is supported by chaotic neural activity, which filters out noise and focuses on useful data. The bat brain is a masterpiece of natural computing, functioning faster and more efficiently than many artificial systems, and shows how evolution can shape near-perfect biological sensors. Role in ecosystem. Bats play an important role in maintaining ecological balance. Insectivorous bats eat mosquitoes, beetles, and pests, protecting crops and reducing the need for harmful pesticides. Frugivorous bats pollinate flowers like banana, mango, and guava, and help in seed dispersal. Without bats, some ecosystems would collapse, and crop productivity would decrease. Their droppings, called guano, are rich in nutrients and used as fertilizer. Bats are silent environmental workers, working overnight for forest regeneration and food security, yet rarely acknowledged. Threats. Despite their ecological importance, bats face serious threats. Rapid urbanization has destroyed many natural roosting places. Excessive pesticide use kills the insects bats feed on. Superstitions portray bats as evil, causing fear and deliberate extermination. Climate change alters habitats, affecting their reproduction. Deforestation removes trees where fruit bats live. Some species are hunted for meat or traditional medicine. These pressures have made several bat species endangered or vulnerable. Unless immediate action is taken, we risk losing these vital contributors to biodiversity. Conservation efforts in India. India is slowly recognizing the ecological role of bats. Sanctuaries like Bhima Shankar Wildlife Sanctuary in Maharashtra and Silent Valley in Kerala are home to rare bat species. NGOs such as Bat Conservation India Trust are raising awareness through research and education. Community-based conservation near caves and temples has proven effective. Legal protection is still limited, but discussions are ongoing to include more bat species under the Wildlife Protection Act. School programs and citizen science projects are growing in popularity, making people see bats not as pests but as vital ecosystem guardians. Scientific inspiration. Bat echolocation has inspired the design of sonar and radar systems. Scientists have created bat-inspired drones that navigate narrow spaces like caves. Algorithms based on bat hunting strategies are used in AI and robotics for optimization problems. Lévy flight models from bats are applied in data mining and disaster search operations. Even financial analysts study bat-like strategies to model market fluctuations. The chaos-inspired neural patterns in bats are now influencing brain-machine interface research. Nature's genius, encoded in bats over millions of years, is driving 21st century innovation. What we can do: we can help protect bats by preserving their habitats, like caves, trees, and abandoned buildings. Avoid using chemical pesticides. Support organic farming. Educate others that bats are not dangerous or dirty. Encourage students to participate in bat-watching events and research projects. Demand stronger laws that protect all bat species. Install bat houses in gardens and farms. If we understand and respect bats, we ensure their survival and the health of our environment. It's time we saw them not with fear but with fascination and gratitude. Bats are more than just nocturnal creatures, they are nature's hidden mathematicians. Their ability to implement chaos-inspired strategies for hunting, energy conservation, and sensory integration has not only helped them survive for millions of years but also inspired modern scientific advancements. India, with its rich bat diversity, holds the responsibility of protecting these ecological allies. While myths and misunderstandings persist, the truth is that bats are essential for our ecosystems. Their mathematical precision in foraging, their vital roles in controlling pest populations, and their contributions to pollination make them indispensable. With habitat loss, pollution, and ignorance threatening their survival, it's high time we act. Protecting bats means protecting biodiversity, food security, and natural intelligence perfected over millennia. The next time you see a shadow flit through the night, remember, it's not just a bat. It's a creature coded with algorithms of survival. Thanks for watching my Cradle to Cremation YouTube channel. If you have any question regarding bats of India, please ask me using the comment box. See you next time with some other interesting animals of India.